Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can download Goodbudget app on your device. Firstly, Goodbudget is a personal finance app perfect for budget planning, debt tracking, and money management. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open Play Store on your device. Then on the top search bar, type Goodbudget app and tap on the search button. Here you'll see Goodbudget, budget and finance on the first option. Tap on it. Then you'll see the install button. Tap on the install button. You'll have to wait a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After your app is downloaded, all you have to do is tap on the open button. You'll be led to the Goodbudget app. Here you can either log in or create a new household. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.